Welcome to our exploration of spirituality with the Better You channel, a journey that transcends the material world to connect us with the deeper aspects of life. In this video, we will delve into what spirituality means, its significance, and the role of spirituality in mental peace. Let's start. Number 1. Meaning of spirituality. Spirituality is primarily understood as an inner journey that focuses on one's soul and spirit, distinct from material possessions or external validations. It encompasses the search for meaning, purpose, and connectivity to a higher power or the universe or higher self of one, often leading to feelings of hope and personal identity. But in this generation, people are not really aware of spirituality and its benefits. People think being religious is so-called spirituality, but it is not true though. Being called oneself atheist sounds cool, but being spiritual adds lots of benefits to oneself. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and spending time in nature can enhance our spiritual understanding and well-being. Ultimately, spirituality fosters a sense of connectedness with others and the world around us, leading to greater inner peace and fulfillment. Embracing spirituality can transform our perspective, helping us navigate life's challenges and discover profound joy and contentment within. Number 2. Difference between spirituality and religion. Spirituality is a personal journey focused on individual experiences and inner growth, while religion involves organized systems of beliefs, rituals, and communal practices. Spirituality emphasizes personal connection and meaning, whereas religion often follows specific doctrines and traditions, providing structure and community to worshippers. If you are spiritual, it doesn't mean that or religious. Spirituality doesn't need to be in any specific religion. Number 3. Spirituality and mental peace. Spirituality fosters mental peace by enhancing self-awareness, promoting emotional healing, and instilling a sense of interconnectedness. Self-awareness. Practices like meditation encourage reflection, helping individuals understand their thoughts and emotions better. Emotional healing. Connecting with a higher purpose allows for acceptance of challenges, facilitating the healing process. Interconnectedness. Recognizing our connection to something greater reduces feelings of isolation and increases empathy for others. By cultivating these aspects, spirituality provides individuals with healthier coping mechanisms, thereby improving resilience and overall mental well-being, ultimately leading to a more serene and fulfilling life. Meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety. It helps calm the mind, improve focus, and enhance emotional well-being. Regular practice can lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and even increase pain tolerance. But meditation goes beyond physical health. For many, meditation is a gateway to spiritual growth. It allows us to connect with our inner selves, fostering a sense of inner peace and clarity. Through meditation, we tap into a higher state of consciousness, feeling a deeper connection to the universe and everything around us. It's a journey towards self-discovery and enlightenment. Next, mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Research shows that mindfulness can reduce stress, enhance focus, and improve emotional well-being. It helps us break free from the autopilot mode and truly experience life. By practicing mindfulness, even simple activities like eating or walking become more enjoyable. It's about savoring the present moment and appreciating the little things. Mindfulness is also a gateway to deeper self-awareness and inner peace. It allows us to understand our thoughts and emotions better, fostering a sense of balance and harmony. Journaling and gratitude. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and emotional clarity. By putting your thoughts and feelings on paper, you can better understand your inner world. Gratitude journaling takes this a step further. It involves regularly writing down things you're thankful for, shifting your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Research shows that practicing gratitude can boost happiness, improve relationships, and even enhance physical health. It helps you cultivate a positive mindset and resilience. By making journaling and gratitude a daily habit, you can create a ripple effect of positivity in your life. It's a simple yet profound way to connect with your inner self and the world around you.